Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. My beautiful Jamaicans, I know most of you will tell me to focus on my country, and it is okay. But I love for you to tell me if this is right. Look at how these police mishandled this teenage boy. I mean, tell me, how old is this boy? 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. But putting your knee on this boy's chest doesn't really sit well with me. I wonder if this policeman is a father or rather has siblings somewhere. Watch this video and then you tell me if this was right. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No water. You can sit down now. Sit down yourself. Sit down yourself. Yeah, man. Give me my ticket. You can write my ticket, man. Give me my ticket. And the amount of ticket I want to write to me. Right them. Who are you? I'm my uncle, that officer. No, man, I can't stay for a mile and video, man. Because I have everything right, officer. Oh, yes, I have everything for you, my boss. I have everything for you. So, after watching that video, I want to play for you a video of a Jamaican reacting to the same video. So, watch this video of this Jamaican and then tell me in the comment section what you think.
And I came across a video captured right here in Jamaica with a group of police. Attacked to a fruitsman, a man who operates a fruit stall. I just reposted the video on my channel so you can go see it. And for hear all the police boy, so you have your big old long gun and so on grown and disrespect your citizens them. None of you never talk to no Chinaman, so. I cause a big dirty bad word. For the youth. If him not comply as a police officer, you either ticket him, or do the lawful thing, and escort him from where he needs to be escorted from. And say, you don't need fear. I come go on, I go watch it, and that is the same thing you do. And go on and kill half of you them, innocently. You treat the Jamaican youths them, like them a piece of shit. The youth humbly order so with him style and hustle. I want to take directives. Oh no. You see a police boy, yo. Dirty police boy. You sick my stomach. And I know you alone. No for uno. You don't have no stinking gun. Uno grow and bad up his citizens in the country. Uno chat to his citizens them any kind of way. Uno are the reason why good police. People can't even respect a good police them in our country. The country have good police, but most of them are drunk. You don't know if you talk to we. You come and harass everybody. You dig up all our scammer you them. You dig up all our criminal, the so-called criminal them. And the real criminal them want to tell bad word and fling handcuff and like thinking Andrew Oldness. And the whole dirty administration. We thief $3 trillion out of the country. And sign deals with our C3 metal and they go to what like gold out of the country. And the only growth we can show is negative 0.8. The country's growth, negative 0.8. We talk about murders down. When we can talk about the other 7 categories where people are found dead. I will not talk about it. When we can talk about the hundreds of Jamaicans we gone missing and in a shallow grave. When we can not talk about that. Yo. I tell you, say, yo, it thing grieve me today now. I should not know it now. I should not know it now. We need police service. We don't need a police force. We need police service and we can't get that with this stinking current administration. And the police them who feel like who can go at will. And of course much dirty, indecent language at citizens that are...
These same police people, these police officers are the people we are supposed to go to. There's a people we are supposed to run to when we feel threatened by somebody, by something somewhere. When we feel something is wrong, we are supposed to go to these people. But if they can behave like this, if they can treat a schoolboy like this, I mean, what could have this boy done wrong for him to be treated like this? What could he have done wrong? There are people out here robbing people, hurting people, causing violence. But what are the police doing about it? This video does not just apply to Jamaican police only. It also applies to my African people, my countries. These police officers, these people are supposed to be protecting us. The same people who are supposed to protect us, they are the same people who are discriminating us. That's the same people who are hurting us. Who are we supposed to run to? What are we supposed to do, man? So guys, engage me in the comment section. Tell me what you think of this video and tell me if you think police brutality should stop, not just in Jamaica, but also in our countries. We need police brutality to stop. We need police to be safer places for us. We need to go to them when we feel threatened. We need to go to them. It should be police. I mean, police are supposed to serve us. But we will look at what they are doing to us. And what pains me a lot is that this police officer doing that to this young boy, pinning this young boy down on the floor, putting his knee on the young boy's chest. Did the boy even have a weapon? Did the boy insult the police? Did the boy have a gun on him? Did the boy unalive anybody? Did the boy hurt anybody at any cost? What's happening, guys? What's happening? How are we supposed to coexist with these police officers if they treat a young boy like this? How are we supposed to coexist with them? How are we supposed to let them protect us? How are we supposed to let them serve us if they can do this to this young boy? Why can't they go to the street and chase after those goons? So guys, I've been your host, Hilary Reactions. Remember to smash the like and the subscribe button on my channel. Your love and support means so much to me. So until we meet again in my next video, peace out and one love.